Good morning, everyone. My name is Haris Denver R. Sanchez, and i-discuss ko for today is about introduction to Java. So, in the beginning, Java was created noong 1991 by James Gosling and his team sa Sun Microsystems, which is sila Mike Sheridan and, and Patrick of Houghton. So, una, tinawag nila itong Beanstalk. Tapos Oak hanggang naging Java. Truly, ang pangalan ay nagbago pero ang first purpose niya is to serve programmers remain. So, tulad ng Java, minsan nagbabago ang pangalan o anyo ng bagay. Pero ang tunay na purpose ay hindi nawawala. So, why Java programming called Java? Kasi sabi ni Gosling, Java was chosen kasi unique siya kaysa sa Silk at tulad ng Java copy mula Indonesia, ganun din tinawag ang language noong 1995. Time magazine even called it one of the 10 best products. Talagang ang gawa ng kanilang kamay was acknowledged by the whole world. So, kapag totoo at unique ang gawa mo, kikilalanin ito ng iba sa tamang panahon. So, Java version history. So, we have JDK Alpha and Beta noong 1995, JDK 1.0 noong January 23, 1996, JDK 1.1 February 1997, J2SE 1.2 noong December 8, 1998, J2SE 1.3 noong May 8, 2000, JJS2 1.4 noong Feb 6, 2002, J2SE 5.0, JSE, Java SE6, Java SE7, Java SE8, Java SE9, Java SE10. So from the Alpha and Beta in 1995 to JDK in 1996 hanggang sa Java SE10 at beyond, dumami at lumakas ang version ng Java. Each version brought new wisdom and features na parang bawat chapters ng isang story. So, tulad ng Java, ang buhay din ay may mga version, laging may update, laging may improvement. So, first developed using Java, a person handheld remote control named Star 7 was part of the Green Project. At unang bunga ng Java ay tinawag na Star 7, isang handheld remote, maliit man ang simula pero nagsisilbing testimony ng mas malaking bagay na darating. Maliit man sa simula, huwag maliitin kasi pwedeng yon ang simula ng mas malaki pang tagumpay. So what is Java technology? The Java technology is a programming language, a development environment, an application environment, and a deployment environment. Java is more than a language. Isa rin itong development environment, application environment, at deployment environment. So truly, it is a complete tool para sa mga builders. Kung kompleto ang tools mo, masanda ka kahit anong challenge mo yan. Kasi nga, kompleto yung tools mo. So, Java features, we have here object-oriented, basic concepts of OOPs are object class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Two simple, secured, platform independent. Two types of platforms is software-based and two hardware-based. Robust, portable, and architecture neutral. Dynamic, interpreted, highly performance, multi-threaded, distributed, high performance, multi-threaded, and distributed. Java was made object-oriented, may object, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. It is simple yet secure, platform independent, robust, and portable. It is architecture neutral, dynamic, interpreted, high performing, multi-threaded, and distributed, and it is a truly a language na sobrang powerful at versatile. Ang tunay na lakas ay nasa pagiging ano mo yan, versatile. Marunong kang mag-adjust sa iba't ibang sitwasyon. So, Java development and environment. Installing JDK or Java Development Kit produces several folders in your system. So, when the JDK installed, full folders and tools appeared. Kasama na ang Java to compile programs. The cycle is clear. Source code becomes byte code becomes execution, and execution brings forth the output. So, ang bawat proseso kahit may cycle, sundin mo lang step by step. Kasi, pag sinunod mo yung step by step procedures na yun, ay may katumbas na resulta. So, yan. Makikita nyo dito, yung command, nagbigay siya para utusan yung system para mag-print ng Hello QCU. So, itong compiler, nakita nyo rito, binasa niya yung system and may nakalagay doon na Hello QCU. So, yung JVM na yan, ang nare-read lang yan ay mga binary. So, ano nga ba yung binary? So, ang binary, ang binabasa lang niyan is mga numbers. So, ano nga ba yung numbers na yun? Ito yung mga 0 and 1. So, once na binasa na ng JVM into binary, pwede mag-represent na to into desktop or other stuff. So, dito naglagay siya ng Hello QCU. So, papuntang JVM and papuntang desktop. So, Java can be used to create two types of program. Dalawa ang landas. Applet na tumatakbo sa browser and application naman na tumatakbo mag-isa. So, magkaiba sila ng role pero parehong powered ng Java. So, tulad ng tao, iba-iba ang role natin pero lahat tayo ay may purpose. So, makikita nyo, yung applet is tumatakbo dito sa browser. And itong application naman is tumatakbo mag-isa through the application. So, Java program structure. So, in the Java programming language, a program is made up of one or more classes. A class contains one or more methods. A method contains program statements. A Java application always contains a method called main. So, a Java program is made of classes. The classes hold methods and the methods hold statements. Sa lahat ng ito, ang main open and close parenthesis method, ang pinakapuso ng public, static, and void kasi dito nagsisimula ang buhay ng isang program. So, once na wala kang mga public, static, and void, yung gagawin mong program is nonsense kasi walang puso. So, lahat ng bagay may main, isang starting point kung saan nagsisimula ang journey. So, when executing a Java application, the JVM loads the class and invokes the main method of this class. The method main must be declared public, static, and void. So, sabi ko nga dito kanina, must be declared public and static void kasi kung wala tong mga to, yung program na gagawin mo is nonsense. So, organizing a Java application. The order is set that Java as the source compiled into that class. Then, executed by the interpreter at para walang naliligaw, may class path to keep everything in order. So, organization brings clarity. Kapag maayos ang pagkakasunod-sunod, mas mabilis ang success. So, dito, meron tayong sample source code here in Java. So, public class. So, ito yung text file name, hello.world.java. So, ito yung name ng iyong file. And then, yung main method niya, ito. Ito yung sinasabi sa inyo, parang kanina, yung wala kang puso, yung isang system mo, hindi gagana. So, dito, nag-command siya ng system.outprint. And, open and close parentheses, quotation mark, hello world. So, dito, tawag dito, statement. So, once na in-enter mo yung isang system is yung nilagay mong statement dito is lalabas. So, tips name. The name of class is its identity package, prevent conflicts. Imports give access and order is maintained kaya kahit maraming programmers, walang gulo, may harmony sa pangalan. May harmony siya sa mga pangalan. Importante ang pangalan at order kapag malinaw ang identity mo, hindi hindi ka basta maliit o magkakagulo. So, here example is first Java program. So, once again, it was written, nakalagay dito is class simple public static void. So, gaya lang to ng sinabi ko kanina. So, system out.println hello Java. So, once na in-enter mo tong program na to, yung statement, sabi ko nga, kung pag in-enter, sabi ko nga kanina, yung statement na nilagay mo dito, once you enter that program, lalabas to sa iyong pinaka-final product. So, minsan, the simplest codes brings the greatest lessons. Simplicity is power. Kahit simple lang, kung tama ang foundation, malayo yung mararating mo. So, last is compilation flow. So, this is the way of Java source into code, to compiler, to bytecode, to interpreter, to output. So, ito ang landas ng bawat program. So, kung gagawa ka ng isang program, kailangan yung compilation flow mo is magpa-process ng ganito kasi lahat ng compilation flow or lahat ng program ay dadaan sa compilation flow. So, bakit dadaan sa compilation flow? So, dadaan siya kasi para yung gagawin mong program ay hindi magiging magulo or may tawag dito, may organize tulad ng program. Ang tao din ay dumadaan sa process bago maging complete ang output ng kanyang buhay. So, once again, my name is Harry Stanford R. Sanchez from BSIS 1A, and this is my presentation for Introduction to Java. Thank you.